Welcome back to Mom and Kate Kitchen. So today we just have short recipe for you guys. Short and nice. Okay. So this recipe is what you need only is cow skin.
Owole
Or kanda. Sierra will call it kanda. Ghanaian call it wole. English they call it cow skin. So this is
Nigeria call it foma.
Are you sure?
Something like that. Something like that.
Are you sure? So guys, we're coming to show you the ingredients. Today I'm going to we'll speak English and Creole small. So this one is the kanda, cow skin. So this one already boiled. We boil it, we steam it, or we steam it. We steam it with some onion, just small onion, and small cube, Maggi cube, with salt. We steam it so that we don't need to put it raw like that. Even when I'm finished, then I'm going to fry it just small. So this is the cow skin. We call it kanda in Sierra Leone. Ghana I say wole. Then this one is oil. Any type of oil you can use it in the kitchen. Then this one is the Maggi, just small Maggi. We use one Maggi. Then this one is garden egg, but this one is optional. If you want, you put it. If you don't want it, you leave it. Then this one is garden egg leaves. They asked me, you want to show them? You want to tell them? This one is what?
This one is an onion.
Yes.
And then blended
So
pepper.
this one blended pepper. We are going to use chili, the hot chili stew. We are not going to put tomato paste, but we are going to use this Maggi as tomato flavor. It doesn't have no taste at all. They make it just like salt and tomato. So if you don't want to put the tomato, you can use this. I'm going to use this flavor.
Then
So
salt.
to give it flavor.
So let's go to the kitchen.
So and salt. So now guys, let's go to the kitchen. Okay, this one is the garden egg. I'm going to slice it. I want it in a cube way. I don't want big cube, small. So the onion, you're going to slice this as semicircle. I'll slice this as semicircle. You can slice this anyhow you like, but the semicircle for me is better than this one. You can do it circle or semicircle. And the leaf, you remove the sticks, the middle stick. The leaf also is optional. If you want, you put it. If you don't want it, you can leave it. You have to slice it as well, not too small. So guys, now we can go and start our cooking. Follow me to the kitchen. So guys, now we'll put the oil. We are going to put the oil to fry. Today I'm going to use my electric cooker to cook my stew. So we'll leave it to warm before we fry the cow skin or kanda or wole. Okay, let's leave it to warm. Now the kanda done. The kanda done ready. Now they can pull am and they put am the same bowl. If you water left for the kanda, not ready water. Okay, if you like, they call am stock. You are used for boil. you don't have to throw it away, the stock. So you have to use it and put it inside. Like the one is steamed, the water left small, so I'll not throw it away because the seasoning is inside, so you don't need to throw it away. So now I'm going to put the onion. This is the onion. So now this is the onion. Me, I don't like too much oil, so too much oil is not good for us. I even use olive oil, but not if you don't have olive oil in your kitchen, it's not a problem. For it to steam, I'll cover it for, let me say, 2 minutes, because this electric cooker is very fast. So guys, now it's ready. Ooh, the smell is something else. Amazing. Now we are going to put everything again. I'll put the cow skin, the wole, and that. Mix, we have to stir it. It's a very easy food, very easy. You put your Maggi. Then you put small salt, because that has salt.
Then the red
tomato flavor seasoning. Right, as I said, I'm not going to put tomato, so this one it will give you the flavor. Just see now the color. I see the color I look like now. Then I put it, and I just put small inside. It's very nice.
this one will represent the tomato paste.
You stir it very well. You have to stir pepper. Oh my god, this pepper is too much. Put pepper. If you don't like pepper, my dear,
Don't put oil.
don't put.
Be careful. It's about to fall.
The sauce is almost ready. Then you put your garden egg leaf. Everything you put. And the garden egg. So I'll add some water inside because I want the garden egg to cook very well. Nicely. Now we'll leave it for 5 minutes to cook.
So come and check it.
Then I will remove it. So guys, now the stew is ready. Look at it. It's ready. Guys, now we are done with the food. So this is the stew. See it. So we're going to eat it with yam, boiled yam and fried yam. You can eat it with bread, you can eat it with anything you want to eat it. You can eat it
Anything.
with rice, bread,
Chocolate.
plantain. Hey, mama.
Just joking.
Just
So if you like this video, don't forget to
subscribe.
like, share,
Yes, Jasmine,
comment,
put it. You do bless it today.
and check the description box, the ingredients are there. If you want to check
Yep.
the recipe, if you didn't get an ingredient in the video. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. We say thank you for new subscribers and the old supporters as well.
So bye.
Bye-bye.
Next time.
And don't forget to decorate it.